Esther.
Hi ma'am, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good, thanks for asking.
Thank you. What can you say about Eastlynne Training Centre?
Okay, firstly I can say Eastlynne Training Centre, it's a school. Actually, it's a skilled school. But as for me, I can't say it's only a school. It's a home. It's a place where we can get exposure, different kind of things that we can do there. I can't just say it's only a school. That's what I can say about Eastlynne Training Centre.
What skills does Eastlynne Training Centre offer?
Okay, Eastlynne Training Centre, it offers electrical skills such as trade test, solar training, domestic wiring, basics and advanced solar, PV, green cards, everything that deals with electrical, that's what it offers.
Do you enjoy being part of Eastlynne Training Centre?
Yes, I do enjoy being part of Eastlynne Training Centre. Why? Because firstly, I enjoy my work. Secondly, I enjoy because I'm interacting with different kind of people, and the other thing that makes me to enjoy mostly is our pass rate. Mostly that's the thing that makes me to enjoy.
What's your pass rate?
99.9%, that's our pass rate. Why am I saying that? Because I'm also part of that 99.9. I'm a what? Product of Eastlynne Training Centre, that's why I'm saying that. I'm telling you, I never went to any school that is like Eastlynne Training Centre. This school, I wish I can keep on doing all the skills that they are doing, but unfortunately, I'm done with all of them.
Okay. In average, what can you say about Eastlynne Training Centre? Like, let's say maybe someone wants to enroll as you as an assessor, what can you say?
Okay, what I can say as an assessor, since we meet different kind of people, I advise people who are outside there, who are shy, who can feel like, no, I can't do this, who can feel like, no, I'm too small for this. You can just come and register. Why? Eastlynne Training Centre, they take everyone, they give everyone a chance for learning. Why am I saying that? That's why they're offering the basics, the advanced, the what, and whatsoever that they're offering. So, with Eastlynne Training Centre, they groom you from zero to hero. They don't just give you education, then they leave you. They make sure that they're giving you education, and that education is not just finishing in the papers, it's finishing here in hand, since it's a skilled training center. Yes, that's what I can say.
Okay, thank you so much for your answers.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
We appreciate you. How are you?
Good.
I'm good. We are speaking to Homotane. And what's your name?
My name is Pushmina.
You are from where? Soshanko. Okay, I just want to ask you some few questions, ma'am. How did you hear about Eastlynne Training Centre?
Eastlynne Training Centre, I heard it from my other college that I was studying
On Facebook. Yes. Okay. Did you benefit from attending the bazaar in basic, like house wiring?
Yes, I did a lot.
A lot. What can you say?
I did a lot. Like the things that I know now, I didn't know before.
Did not know before.
Yeah. Like
so now you can say you are a master. You can master.
Yeah, I can master the
house
wiring. Yeah. I
Single
can say
phase,
that
everything.
Everything.
Okay.
Almost everything.
How did you benefit from house wiring?
Now I can wire a 4-bedroom house. At least now I can wire a 4-bedroom house. And then you can at least do wire for a gate motor to work, a Volvo to work. Yeah, that's how I benefit. And now at least I know all about the breakers, everything that is inside the TV box and how they works and how, yeah.
Okay, so what would you say to someone who is training about electrical at Eastlynne Training Centre? What would you say to someone, maybe let's say you want to join to study for electrical or any?
I think this is a very good course and then it will be a very good choice to choose Eastlynne College because they verify all the time, all the knowledge. Yeah, about this wiring and about electrical, and then happen verify career advisors. Yeah, that's good about it. And the other thing, Okay, they just said that maybe there will be job opportunities for us to gain more experience out of everything that we studied, everything that we did, kind of practical.
Okay, so in average, what can you say about Eastlynne Training Centre as a whole platform? From the reception, registration, your classes, your people you interact with.
They are so very kind. My money, I was from work. From night shift and I couldn't get in a class. They gave me a class where I can rest until I got to go back to work.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's a very good college whereby about everything, step by step, yeah.
So you can recommend someone to come and enroll with us?
Very sure. Even the lady from the reception forever
Thank you so much. We're happy to hear this.
And I'm happy that I chose this college.
Thank you so much. Good job. Speaking to them, what's your name?
Yeah, speaking with Joshua Chaliman.
Joshua Chaliman, where are you from? Where are you staying?
I'm staying in Mabepan.
Okay, I just want to do one-on-one with you.
Okay, no problem.
How did you hear about Eastlynne Training Centre?
Okay, I heard it from, in fact, I saw it on Facebook. Then I got interested. Then I started to communicate with them through Facebook. They gave me their WhatsApp numbers. Then from there we started to communicate through WhatsApp. Yes.
Okay. So did you benefit from attending the bursary for your solar installation course?
Of course, I benefit a lot. I got the experience right now. I got the knowledge to do the solar installation every day. And also
so you're currently busy with that one?
Yes, I'm
currently. Are you the one who
currently.
did those?
Yes. Right now I'm busy with this one, the inverter, and also I got CC right here. So that's what I'm busy with right now. I came here without any knowledge about these things. That's why I got interested. That's why I started to communicate with them so that they can teach me how to install
so is this what you're passionate of?
Yeah, of course. Yes, that's why I came here. Yeah.
Would you recommend someone to come and enroll or train with Eastlynne Training Centre?
Yes, of course. In fact, my friends, they are interested and they were asking me about it. So, of course, I would recommend someone to come and do it because everything is perfect here. The lecturers, they are good. We learn a lot here. Yeah, so I think everything is perfect.
Did you benefit from the solar installation?
Yeah, like I said before, I benefit a lot. You understand? I came here without any knowledge. So right now, I can install the inverter right now. Like as you can see right now, I'm still busy with the inverter and the solar panels. Okay, so I can say I benefit a lot.
So in average, what can you say about Eastlynne Training Centre? How was the service from the moment you came, the reception area, the classes, the teaching, like everything?
Yeah, I think everything is perfect. Starting from the reception. Yes, the woman in the reception, like the one who said before, like she's perfect.
She's perfect.
You know, like, yeah, she's welcoming. So I benefit a lot from these people. From the workshop, inside the workshop, they've got enough material, they've got enough everything to teach you. You understand? Yeah. So like they understand. They give us everything. What you want to learn, if you want to ask, you can ask for everything.
So
you want.
Meaning they're all patient. You don't have to argue. You don't have to.
No arguments here.
It's always smiling.
Smiling.
We are always happy.
Yeah, of course. We feel like we are all at home, but we are at school. You understand? Even the students, we go to each other very well.
Okay, no, that's all I wanted to hear from you. Thank you, Mr. Joshua.
Right,
we are happy when you are happy.
Okay.
We are talking to Kumoto. You are? Malupe. You're coming from where? Where are you staying? In Mamelodi. Okay, but I just want to ask you just a few questions. Ne? How did you hear about Eastlynne Training Centre?
I saw it on Facebook. that's why I also saw as an opportunity and then I applied.
You applied. Okay. Did you benefit from attending the bursary, the house wiring?
Yeah, I benefited a lot because the first time when I came here, I didn't even know what's this thing called. At least now I no longer call it this thing, I know it's a TV box. So yeah, when I first came here, I didn't really know a lot of stuff about electricity, so they taught me all the basics. And yeah, I think I'm quite a confident electrician now.
Can you recommend someone to come and join this training center?
Yeah, absolutely, I can do that. The training center is good, they've got all the necessary equipment that you need. The lecturers as well, the students, everyone here, the environment, it's okay. I've got all the basics that I need here to learn about electricity. So yeah,
what can you say about this training center? For the moment you texted us, you came to enroll with us, what can you say?
The process was quite smooth because they only asked for my ID. And then it was ID and also CV, and then that was how I to apply. Then they gave me the directions to come here. Actually, I was looking at this place. Then when I got here, they enrolled me and then they showed me to my class. Same day I started my lessons.
So how was your assessment? How is your lessons with your lecturers?
It is going okay. The lecturers, they actually know what they're doing. So from what I've learned, because I'm not confident that I can train via a house. So they are assistants, so I learned what I learned from them.
Thank you so much. Oh, hi, how are you? I'm good. What's your name? Tabang. You're from? Litlaville. Okay. Just want to ask you some few questions. How did you hear about Eastlynne Training Centre?
My cousin sent me to Eastlynne Training Centre. Before I can check it, then she told me we must come here about the document.
So you came with your cousin or you came alone?
I came with my cousin.
Okay.
So she's the one who referred to me and said, look, what you've been looking for. So I came here and we applied. And on the same day, we joined class. They show us around the classes, different equipment that they have, different classes that they have. So it's interesting to hear.
How did you benefit from the bursary?
Now I'm qualified the house running a man. I can run now a house from scratch.
From scratch?
Yeah. No,
You don't need any help?
More confident than ever. And I've never been so confident with the team where I am now. So now,
Okay.
ever since I came here, I don't know about the sage. So now I know. I'm not calling break. So now I know there's a different means of breakers.
Okay. So what would you say to someone who is thinking about studying electrical at Eastlynne Training Centre?
Well, I would tell them that's a good idea because the teachers will show they won't be teachers will show you a way, ask where you need to ask. Don't just say, okay, I understand. You must ask where you don't understand. And they'll show you, they'll assist you, teach you. Obviously, the practical is part of the education. So you learn theory and practical at the same time.
Okay, that's good. So in average, what can you say about Eastlynne Training Centre? The service they gave you and all
Where
that.
have you been, guys? Show yourself. People are lacking skills out there. Show yourself. Give those who are willing to learn so they can benefit.
Okay. Thank you so much. We thank you.